Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Redragon product software. So basically what you'll need to do is go to your browser and type Redragon software, and you'll see the first link. Click on the first link. This is the official website of Redragon brand, and if you scroll down you'll see mice, keyboards, combos, headsets and accessories. So choose your product, or you can search your product right here, so it will be faster for you to find it. But right now I'm going just to scroll and find the mice that I have, and right here. And what you'll need to do is click on the product, then scroll down and click on software. Now you'll need to click save again. It will start downloading the software, and if you go to your downloads you'll basically see a software. So if you double click on this software, you'll see that it will say Windows protected your PC. So this file is from the official website, so it is safe. So click run anyway, and you'll see that you'll be asked for administrative privileges. You'll need to accept it, and right here you'll see a destination location, and you'll need to install it like this. So, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.